Alright, today I'm going to try a bit of a different omelet. I've got some smoked sausage cut up and sliced in half. And we're going to have a sausage omelet. But I've heard that if you put a lid on your omelet, it makes it fluffier. So I found a lid that fits perfectly. And I'm going to try it. So let me get the sausage in here. Get that all browned. All right. I'm going to get a bowl and mix up my eggs. Be right back. Couple more minutes on them. I'm going to let them get a little browner on the bottom. See, that's what I was shooting for. A little bit of crunchy on the bottom. All right. Now we will see if this fluffy rumor is true or not. We'll be back in a minute. You know that I cannot say no to those please daddy eyes. Is this what you want? Is that what you want? Can you sit? No, sit down. Good boy. Well, I'll tell you what, it definitely is fluffier. I'm going to flip it. Ah, doggone it. Ah, whew. Cover it up for just another minute or two. Just another minute or two. All right, let's assemble that egg. Whoa. All right. Let's go eat. All right, now, I know some of y'all may have noticed the grease. But keep in mind, I ate truck stop food for 35 years, so a little bit of grease is not going to bother me. Frank's Red Hot, good stuff. Okie dokie. Two thumbs up. Damn good. I got some more for tomorrow. Good omelet.